Welcome to this tutorial on how to take product photos for Shopify. A crucial step in creating an online store that converts visitors into customers. High-quality product photos are essential to showcase your products in the best possible light and help customers make informed purchasing decisions. First, you will need a few basic pieces of equipment, including a camera, tripod, and lighting. You can use a smartphone camera, but a dedicated camera will provide better results. A tripod will help you stabilize the camera and avoid blurry photos. Natural light is ideal, but if you are shooting indoors, invest in a lighting kit. Next, prepare your product by removing any tags or packaging and cleaning it thoroughly. Use a plain background, such as a white or light-colored sheet, to help your product stand out. Consider using a reflector to bounce light onto the product and reduce shadows. Now, let's move on to the photography process. Place your product on the background and position your camera on the tripod. Adjust the camera settings to ensure the product is in focus and the background is blurred. Take multiple shots from different angles, including the front, back, and sides. When editing your photos, keep it simple by adjusting the brightness, contrast, and saturation. Avoid over-editing, as this can make your product look unnatural. Save your photos in a suitable format, such as JPEG or PNG, and optimize them for web use by compressing them to reduce file size. Finally, upload your photos to Shopify and add them to your product listings. Use the alt text and description fields to add relevant keywords and descriptions, which will help with search engine optimization. By following these steps, you can create high-quality product photos that will help increase sales and improve customer satisfaction. Remember, the key to taking great product photos is to keep it simple. Use good lighting, and show the product from multiple angles. With practice, you will be able to take professional-looking product photos that will help your online store stand out from the competition.